Hey all, I'm Anita here from United Kingdom. I'm back again with a lovely session for you. The material we need for today's session is a sketch colors, pencil, ruler, eraser. This session is a continuation of our structured art classes for kids and we are on day 10. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you how to draw different sea transport or water transports. Such art session will help us to improve kids' interest towards art and sketching. As you all know that you gain ample benefits if you get involved in sketching and art from your childhood. Such activities will make kids stress-free and also they can be away from the hazards. If you are new to my channel, please have a look at our playlist which is for kids art sessions. Our first session started with how to start a structured art classes for kids and then move on to making some art using alphabets, shapes, numbers. Then we learn how to draw fruits, birds, insects, vehicles and few sea animals. In today's lesson, I would like you to understand the proportion of objects, the length of the object and to fix the parts in the object with right proportion. As you can see that the base structure of all the ship is same, but the parts of ship differs and that's where we have used a scale to analyze that and to give the right proportion of those parts of the ship. For instance, I have ensured that we make funnel, stem, hull, anchor, forward, deck and accommodations or bridges. So we have to ensure that the ship parts are smaller than the body of the ship, and how much smaller it has to be is what you have to decide using the scale and teach the proportion of each part to your kids. I really enjoyed making this art because when I was doing it, I was trying to teach it to my kids as well and they were so excited to make an art using a scale and to understand the proportions. This was engaging them for hours and hours. When kids get involved in art and drawing from childhood, their eye and hand coordination improves and they keep such techniques in their mind for long. You need to teach them to apply similar techniques in drawing other arts. We have used few lines like straight lines, slanting lines and few curves to make this sea transport art. So it's easy for you to show the proportions of each object to your kids. I have tried nearly 12 water transports like battleship, ferry, schooners, ship, barge, boat, hovercraft, sailboat and submarine. Hope your kids will enjoy making them all. So you keep watching. I will talk to you at the end of the session. At first, kids may not be able to understand the proportions of objects and how to fix it. So give them more and more example and more exercises. Surely they will get it right. So that's where I have done nearly 12 art for you. So you start with one by one and don't make it in a single day all the art. Just divide this art into 3 parts, maybe for 3 days. So you can do first 4 sessions on day 1 and then second 4 on day 2 and the third part on day 3. So that will help them to understand more. I'm sure if you divide like this and do it in a structured way, it will be really easy for them to understand and grasp it. So we are at the end of our session and I'm just giving the outline to just highlight my artwork. I would suggest please ensure that you color these art with your kids if you're making one. They will definitely enjoy coloring them. If you want to say something to me with regard to this art or you would like to have a new artwork to be done from my end, please do drop it in the comment box. I will surely try it for you. I'm taking a leave now. I'll meet you with the next artwork. Until then, bye. Keep sharing, keep loving.